So we're gonna replace the radiator. I'm recording this after because I forgot because I'm dumb. I did it with my cousin. He's a mechanic at Mercedes. I wasn't able to record like everything because of like the GoPro. GoPro kept dying, overheating, and so I just set up for like time lapses and stuff. Yeah, I wasn't able to put in all the radio and shit because all the there's like a rat nest of wires. But yeah.
All right, you see this?
Yeah.
So yeah, you're gonna turn it. If it's hard, let me get you some blower. No, wear gloves so you don't burn yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna get messy with fuck it.
I don't care.
You wanna go look at it first?
Yeah.
Code for that, and if you buy that, then you can get this paint code. But they're doing a special.
Hard?
Yeah. I know, and it feels like it's gonna break.
No, it should not break. Let me get some more. Is it going?
Ooh.
Let me do it from here. So you want to get
Yeah. Ew.
No, that's Greenway.
It still looks nasty though. That hot.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Is that the only thing they have?
No try? What the fuck? Yeah, wait, look. It's...
Oh.
Oh wait, we should open it from the front, from the top. So.
Oh, you're right. But open it slowly. Please.
Yeah.
Oh wait, wait. Hold on. Close it. It's not a 10. Look, this one. Put this down like this, and like that, and you can move it whatever you want.
Okay.
Like that. Off.
So now I can. Oh fuck.
You see it? Got that one. It says that you just push it that way. No, don't take it off. Don't take it off.
No, I'm pushing it that way.
Yeah.
It's stuck on some. It's stuck on this probably.
Like that. Should be good.
Ahí está.
Okay, now-
Eso.
Yeah, that's the last. But now let me see the video. Let me ask some clamps.
You should use pliers.
Yeah, no.
Needle-
Like, there's a special pliers. Hold on.
Okay. I'll just take it off like that.
Yeah, watch out this because Check out the hoses connected to the radiator.
These are transmission lines, huh? We need transmission fluid.
Ah, I forgot about that. Stop. You want me to do this?
Oh look, this one's easy. I'm moving the entire body. Huh?
Oh, Brian.
Yeah, man.
I was like, what's going on over here? Hell yeah. What are you guys doing?
Gotta replace the radiator.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah. So I don't know why the music was recorded when we were recording this video. We were playing music, so I don't know why it just didn't stop or anything. But basically, we were just explaining that we got to replace the radiator because it has a tiny little crack on top, and it just kept overheating, spewing out coolant whenever it got up to temp. So yeah. Yeah, so getting the music with the video was bothering us. So we're just explaining how we just got the old radiator out and we're about to put the new one in. And it's a aluminum radiator, so it shouldn't overheat no more. And yeah.
¿De la house?
Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. This is probably in the way now.
Yeah. Wait. Hold over. Just like that. It's already in?
Oh, there's a line that you're hitting right there, right here. Here, let me go under and try to move that for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right.
This is the bottom one. Let me see.
Almost done. Got the new radiator in. When we finishing touches. Then we gotta do the sound system. Yeah. New radiator put in. Looking all good. Hell yeah. Still gotta do some filter clean and speakers. Yeah. Down here, all good, no leaks so far. We still gotta do thermostat and water pump, just for the red what the fuck? Just for good measure. But yeah, looking pretty good. All right, so we're done with pretty much everything. We weren't able to get the radio in because fucking rat's nest, the wires. Cleaning up now. See if his break room has any food because we're hungry as shit.